Pontoon boats are amazing. Some of the most versatile boats ever made. They are very stable, super comfortable, and can accommodate loads of passengers. But get a pontoon boat near a dock and they can be really, really tricky, especially if the wind picks up. Around the dock, they can be a handful for a few reasons. Really low mass and a lot of windage from this high fencing means they do tend to get pushed around a lot. And with just a single outboard, controlling the bow can be quite tricky. The last thing you want to be is shore entertainment.
You got it, bud.
But there is an easy and effective solution. One that can make docking a pontoon boat easier than parking a car. And that would be Pontoon Thrusters. Sideshift's PT360 thruster system provides complete control over your pontoon boat. And it comes with a remote Bluetooth lanyard, which means when you get off the boat, you still have control if the wind is going to drag it away from you. Haha! Now this really makes single-handed operation an absolute breeze. But if you've got a first mate that is handling the lines for you, then their job gets a lot easier because you can just throw the line on, and if the bow goes away, we can just bring it back. It just makes it so easy. And again, if the stern gets away from you, you can just bring it in as well. In theory, you could undock the boat just using the lanyard. But you also have a complete joystick system at the helm, which is much easier to use when the wheels are around. So we want to leave the dock. We don't even need the engine. You want to turn the boat around? Oops, I parked on the wrong side. Sorry, honey. It's that easy. Now forward and back, obviously we need to use the motor a bit, so if we need to get away from the dock, but we want to keep turning the boat around, look at that. And this is the kind of thing that makes it so anyone can drive this boat. And if you're coming in too hot, wind's pushing you at the dock, well, you can use the thrusters to slow the boat down. And this just allows you to make all of your docking maneuvers simple, slow, and purposeful. With a little practice and a little throttle work, you can put this boat within 5 millimeters of where you want it. Now, of course, it's a calm day, so we can't control that. We're gonna hope to get some wind later and show you again when there's a bit more wind. But I mean, this just makes docking so easy. I can't think of a better thing to spend my money on. And again, with the lanyard, we can get off the boat by ourselves. So if you go to the restaurant, you're afraid of using your boat by yourself. With Sideshift, you can manage the lines all by yourself. If the stern goes away, because it's really windy, you're like, whoa, whoa, and I can't quite reach it, you just use the lanyard to pull it right back. It's amazing. Sideshift's patented PT360 is the first fully retractable thruster system designed for today's modern pontoon boat. It has universal mounting for any dual or tri-toon boat. Precision guidances are right at your fingertips with the simple joystick control. They are powerful and silent with wireless control from the boat or even the dock. Sold as a kit, they can be easily installed in a day, making them a great DIY project. Regardless of conditions, windy, wavy, tight spot?
I know.
No problem, even with an audience.
Nice job.
Feel confident parking your boat. Dock like a pro with Sideshift.